You could hear that? You could hear that? That is right. That is the song of Christmas bells. It's that time of the year again. And what does Christmas mean to you? To me, Christmas means it's a time of giving and sharing. And right now, I'm about to give you and share with you one of the best Christmas ideas you could ever have. I'm sure you, just like me, have a box of Christmas decorations ready to go up on your Christmas tree or around your house. But what's the real meaning of all of these things? Like, yeah, this is look nice and fancy, but it have any significance behind it? Does it really showcase your personality and style? How about putting your own personal touch on Christmas decorations? Just like this one, for instance. Okay, well, maybe not this one because I do this when I was like about 6 years old and it still remained. But it have a significance. What I really get into you with is the Creative Christmas Decorating course from CTS College. So you know when you're going to the mall and you see all these beautiful decorations and all of these setups where you could now go and take your pictures and it was like, wow, look at this nice background, I have to go and take a picture by it. You could now learn how to create that for yourself. Pause this video right here so you would know exactly what you'll be learning during this course. But there's a much bigger picture. Think of this. This could actually be aligning with a career. Simply interior decorating. Students of this course would also learn to create over 7 types of aesthetically pleasing display items. Some may include holiday style wreaths, poly burlap poinsettia flowers, wooden snowflake ornaments, string Christmas trees, paper bag stars, and more. Imagine all the things you could create simply by doing this course. And this is not only for people who are interested in bettering their skills. This is for people who want to unlock new skills, who want to do something meaningful in their home, who possibly just want to also save money instead of having to go and buy plenty Christmas decorations. You can get a joy out of making it on your own. And the benefit of this course is that when you do it, you get to carry home whatever you make on that day, together with instruction manuals and templates that you can use to create future designs. It's quite an in-depth course, one which will benefit you all the way. It's 1 day and it's only $600 for this course. To find out more about this, you can call 671-2551 or visit their website today.